Welcome one more time. My name is Elizabeth Dowell, and today I'm going to show you how to use Calendly. Calendly is a website that allows your clients to set up appointment directly to your Google account, Google Calendar. In my case, I use Google Calendar to set up appointments and also to connect with my phone. So this way, when my clients want to meet with me or they want to call me, I'm sorry, they can go to this link, set up the time that they want me to call them or meet with me, and it's easy for me to track. And it's easy for them. They don't have to be calling the office, waiting for a receptionist to give them an appointment. They can set up the right time from 30 minutes call to 1 hour appointments. And I'm in control of the time that I want them to get in touch with me. For example, if in my calendar I want to call people every Monday or every Tuesday, I want people to call me, to be able to connect with me by phone, I can set up my Calendly that people only going to get appointments on Monday. So that way for me it's easy. So let's work on this. Today I'm gonna use one of my Google account. Let's go to Calendly. I know it's kind of funny, calendly.com. And here, sign up, we're gonna use my email account. Let me use this one. Sign up, sign up with Google. I know, plenty emails account. I'm gonna allow so they can connect to my calendar. So this is gonna be the link that my clients, I'm gonna send to my clients. I can send it via text, or I can send it to emails, Facebook, whatever I wanna do it. I can send this link right here, calendly.com/elidowell07, or I can do Dowell group, for example. So anything that I put here, let's say, for example, Jocelyn, Prestige. If I want to use Prestige Accounting, I can just put here. So Calendly is going to personalize that link with the name that I add in this moment. I'm going to use Dowell Group. Because if I use, let me try this one. Yes, it's available. Great. So I just hit continue. This is the way it's going to work. They're going to be adding appointments on my calendar. What I do is that my calendar, my Google Calendar, is on my cell phone. I use Apple, I use iPhone. So I just set up my calendar, one of my calendars from Google for this email account. So when people go to the link that I already show you, that appointment goes straight to my calendar and straight to my cell phone. So I know that someone is requesting to meet with me this day at this time, or they want a phone call, which is easy. So this part, I can do it now, or I can do it later. It's up to you. So if you want to check with conflicts, most of the time, I just hit continue, and they're gonna do it. Okay, now I have to check my availability for the people. When do I want this happening? When do I want people to contact me? What is gonna be my business hour? Remember, if you have an office, people can just go to your office with the time that you set up right now. But in this case, because this is something else that I'm creating right now, I'm gonna set up that I only want people to meet with me on Monday. But if your case, you want people to meet with you Wednesday, Friday, here, Saturday, you can set up the time also. Let's say I want people to contact me from, let's do 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I just hit continue. Okay, this is the experience. My role as a work, what I am. I'm a freelance consultant right now. I'm a leader entrepreneur. If I do education, accounting management, if you want to do interview or sales marketing. In my case, in this, which is going to be your case, You can do freelance consultant, or you can do sales. It's up to you. Or just hit other. Okay, this is like a setup they already have for you. You can do 50 minutes meeting, or you can do 50-minute phone call. You just can go and edit if you want to edit it. You just can go and edit this part. Just come over here when you see the little flower. Let's go to flower. Go to edit, and you can change this part. If you have one instead of 15 minutes, you want more time, you just can change it here. But let's say that I want 15 minutes, and then just put phone call instead of meeting. I want people to be able to call me during this time. They want me to call them. They can do this in phone. You see, you can do meeting in person, phone call, Google Meet, Zoom if you want to do conference. This is good because right now we do a lot of online trainings. I do a lot of taxes online. If you want to do, you want to base your business online, you can use Zoom. Zoom is a great tool. The first 30 minutes is for free, which is just great. Just goes to Zoom, create an account. I can show you if you want me to. If you have clients out of states, let's say that you're working with somebody in Connecticut, for example, and this person, one of the things that I would recommend you to do is that meet with this person through Zoom. Let's say that they send you all the information, they send you the IDs, whatever you need, the person send it to you. Meet with this person through Zoom, and just to protect your back, just to protect in case something happens in the future, because you never know, you can save of the conversation or the presentations or whatever you talk with this client. You can save maybe 3 minutes. You can save maybe a screenshot. Just a proof that you talk to the clients. It's a virtual. With one of the companies that I work with Transamerica, one of the biggest company in the whole wide world, and they allow you to use Zoom as a part of the presentation. Same thing happens with other businesses. So if you have someone and you want to show them, you want to talk to them, the person is out of states, out of the city, because let's say that you work in Orlando, but you have a client in Miami, you can use Zoom, you can record a little part of this person, of the meeting or the conversation, just save it on your computer and have it as a backup, just in case something happens in the future. The person said, oh, I never sent that information to Elizabeth. I don't know how she gets my information. You have something to show. Also, people have to sign the paper. Remember, we have all the forms that you need in our Pro Advisory Institute. If you don't know how to get the forms because you're brand new, ask your account executive how to get those forms. Those forms are very important to have it. Ask your clients to sign it. If they can fill the application, the forms by hands, even better. Save it in your record. That is to protect you. I know. Other things you can use GoToMeeting and things that I like, I'm a advertising consultant. So branding is very important. What is the color of your company? Is your company blue, red, pink? Whatever color is the company, you can customize this link. Let's say that in my case, I'm blue. Save and continue. Okay, when you're here, let's go back. Just to show you, in the beginning, Calendly is gonna give you 3 options. These 3 options you can customize, you can add whatever you want to. You can change it, you can add more information. You just copy this link, and let me open here, rapidito, it goes to Glendalise. Let's say that I wanna send this link to Glendalise. Glendalise can go right now and set up an appointment. Let's say that I want, you see here, I got these days off. What happens is because my Google Calendar is set up to my cell phone, which I use different type of calendars. So the time that is available is the time that is gonna be available on Calendly as well. Let's say that you have a meeting with Julio at 3 p.m. today. So from 3 p.m. to 4, your calendar is blocked with Julio. But from 4 to 5 is open. So Calendly is gonna use that time for you, for your clients to set up appointment. If, let's say that you have appointment with Julio from 3 to 4, you have from 4 to 5 open, and you have a 6, an appointment with Carlos, what's gonna happen with Calendly is that the only time it's gonna be available for you to use it, for your clients to use it, is gonna be from 4 to 5. So don't worry too much. The only thing is, if you have meeting in person, check the time, check the client, check the time. Sometimes if you're doing a taxes, you know, they can take more than an hour. So try to put this part that we work here. Give me 1 second. The part that we work here, instead of 30 minutes, you know, a tax could be, sometimes we can do a tax, to be honest, in 30 minutes, but try to do 60, just in case the people talk too much. I know. If the person talk too much or something happens, try to do 60 minutes. And let's pretend that I'm gonna do today 2:15, confirm. I'm gonna be required to do my name, Elizabeth Tax, and my email they use, Elizabeth at tsgtaxpros.com. Tax, schedule event. Okay, I got 50 minutes meeting. What's gonna happen now? It's asking me if you want. When I go to my calendar, let me go refresh. Just look at it here. So what we did right now is on my calendar, on my Google Calendar, is right now available. If I go back, let's say that I go back to the link and I wanna do another appointment, you see? From 2 to 2:15 is already booked, so nobody can do it. So, but let me show you something. After the trial period, which is very good to have it, but what's gonna happen with Calendly, you can start paying if you want to, but in my case, as you know me, they give you like just one way to use your Calendly. And you can set up appointment. This is my personal one. You can set up appointment. They're gonna give you just one option here because you're big in the beginning. They want you to try. They want you to learn how it works. They're gonna give you 3 options. If you like it, you can continue. You can set up a payment plan. You can set up a membership, which is good. But if you don't need it, you just need something faster, just like me, you wanna make an appointment with me, you can come over here, set up an appointment. This is 30-minute appointment. And you see, you can set up an appointment with me. In my case here, gonna ask you for name, email, and cell phone so I can call you. And I just add some more options that you can do here as well. You can add more options here. You can add more information. You can add more options like this one. I got this one for real estate. People want to meet with me. They want to give you, they need to give me the email address to put them on CRM, the cell phone, and what they need to talk to me. They want to do it in the office. They want to do it by phone. This is something that I use to new clients, which is work very good. And you can start using it on your office as well. And I hope this one help you a lot. It's something that you can start using. It's for free. I know, and it's very good because that way you can send the link. People can connect with you. They can set up the time that they want to. You don't have to worry. But remember to add the cell phone like I did here. Remember to add the cell phone so you can call them to confirm the appointment, or you can ask your assistant to call. So this is going to help you in this moment that we're starting the tax season. This is going to be very helpful because you don't have to be calling people, as checking your agenda. They can go straight. You can set up. One of the things that I do with my clients, I send a text. I have this software. It's not a software, a website that I pay. I send text to my clients with this link, and they can go like here. This link, they can go set up the appointment, and they can come to my office just to meet with me to have the taxes done or financial, they want something from financial, let's say they want an IRA, they need a IRA, they need some retirement plans, whatever they need, they just can come over here, set up the time, come to my office and meet with me. This is something very useful and I hope you enjoy it. And thank you again for being here in Lunch and Learn. Any questions, please feel free to contact me. My number is in the chat. Any questions, I'm here to help you. And thank you again. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.